When you open up PowerPoint, it usually goes to the home screen, and then you have the choice of just clicking on a blank presentation. Alternatively, you can go to New, and when you go to New, you will get a series of templates that you can use. For the purposes of this, however, we're just going to open up a blank presentation. When the blank presentation opens, the first slide will be your title slide. Notice when I hover over, also design ideas also come up. For this, I'm going to create a reading lesson, and I'm just going to go uniforms for or against. And this is based on a lesson in New English File. Elementary, and it is page 23, just for the student's reference. Now, once I click off that, it generates a series of design ideas, and it usually just takes a few minutes for that to do. And there's none at the moment, so I'm gonna, it's not letting me learn more, so I'm gonna go back. And that's okay, because I can just play around with this, and I am going to go to shape format. I'm going to fill the shape in. I'm just going to make it black. And by making it black in shape format, it just makes it a little bit different. And then I'm going to slowly go to home, and I'm going to make my text white, just to make it a little bit different. And I'm going to move this out like this here. Okay. And I'm going to add a new slide. To add a new slide, and make sure I'm in my home screen, and I'm just going to go new slide. But this time I'm just going to click on the arrow, and it's going to give me options. And this time I'm going to go with title and content. And I'm just going to put in my learning objectives. To read and answer questions on an article about uniforms. Be able to understand uniform vocabulary. Be able to give your opinion on uniforms. And obviously you could simple it down to read it to read and answer questions, to be able to understand uniform words of uniform, new words, to be able to give your opinion on uniforms, something along those lines. And again, we can make this a little bit different by generating the design ideas. And when you click on design ideas, you can get learning objectives like this or learning objectives like that. And I think that's quite nice. Okay. And then we can add a new slide. So if we want to try and get them to start thinking about uniforms, we can add a new slide. Again with table, and we can put vocabulary. Or let's see, jobs that have uniforms. So here I can put in some pictures. So this time I'm going to insert picture. So I'm going to go to insert and picture. And when I insert picture, I can go from this device, stock images, or online pictures. So I'm just going to go to stock images first to see what's there. And I'm going to go with nurse, because that's the first one that has a uniform. I'm going to click here. And I'm going to make it smaller, you just move it over, click and drag. Okay, so always go, to make a picture smaller, always go in the corners. Again, I'm going to insert another picture. So I'm going to insert pictures from stock images. And I'm going to go please this time. And insert. And this is very big. So again, I'm going to go to the corners and I'm going to drag it down and I can move it across. Okay, and I'm going to insert again. Stock images. And think of another uniform, maybe a chef. Oh, no, I'm just going to help, sorry. So, pictures, stock images, chef. And try and get a chef that has a uniform. There doesn't seem to be any. Let me see. Waiter. See. Barista, no. Chef. We just look up uniform. Oh, we got firefighter. Okay, so in this short video, we've looked how to open PowerPoint, how to create a slide with some text, and how to change the color of the background. We've looked at how to use design ideas to put in the learning objectives. And we've also looked at how to put in pictures and how to arrange the pictures.